Hello there, gentlemen. This is your host, Tony, bringing you another episode of The Power of Change, Transforming Lives. We are here to explore our inner capabilities, transform ourselves, and inspire change in our lives. In each of us, there's a latent force of transformation waiting to be awakened. We all have the potential to change, grow, and evolve. This podcast is a call to action for every man ready to journey towards a better self. Think about moments when you've thought, I'm stuck in life. I wish I could achieve more. Or, can I change my past mistakes? These thoughts reflect your readiness for growth. Remember, each one of us is a unique project, constantly evolving, and each new dawn brings an opportunity for further development. Today, our focal point is the power of change. Change can be unsettling, for it shakes our comfort zones. It challenges the familiar and propels us into uncharted territories. But therein lies the secret to growth. It's when we embrace the discomfort that we truly evolve. Consider an analogy. Think of yourself as a diamond in the rough. Each diamond has to endure high pressure and temperature before it sparkles. Similarly, you might need to face challenges, make tough decisions, and endure discomfort to let your true brilliance shine. Replace the diamond with your life, and the sparkle with your personal and professional growth. The process of transformation can be demanding, but the end result is a polished, radiant you. The path of growth isn't a straight line. You will face roadblocks and detours, but every fall is a lesson, and every rise brings you closer to your goals. As we progress through this podcast series, we will delve deeper into the process of change. For now, contemplate the changes you wish to bring in your life. What's the diamond within you that's waiting to shine? What steps can you take to begin this transformation? As we wrap up, I want to thank you for joining me on this voyage of transformation. Remember, every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Continue to embrace change, foster growth, and let's meet again in the next episode. You're listening to The Power of Change, Transforming Lives with me, your host, Tony. Stay tuned for more insights into personal development.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name, Tony's Drain, at tonysdrain.com.